Did you know that some animals can harness the power of the sun, just like plants? Let me introduce you to the emerald sea slug, a fascinating little creature from the sea. This sap-sucking slug is special because it can actually perform photosynthesis. Yes, you heard that right. Just like leaves on trees, these slugs can use sunlight to make food. They get this ability by munching on algae, which allows them to absorb chloroplasts. With these borrowed chloroplasts, the slugs can power up with sunlight and survive for months without eating. This incredible adaptation is one of nature's coolest magic tricks.